guys, I'm Luke Fillback here with Land Guys. I grew up here in Wisconsin, born and raised, been here my whole life. Growing up, I mean, I was either in a tree stand or putting food plots together or helping on the farm. Just basically what I grew up on and what I've been doing my whole life. The first memory I can think of hunting, we were on my home farm here, and I think I was in middle school. It was my first gun hunt of the youth season. I got out, got all excited, and then I saw my first deer, and you really can't describe what seeing your first deer is as a kid, and kind of the adrenaline rush. I had a buck come out. My dad kind of helped me line up and get on it and pulled the trigger, and I was instantly hooked then. It was just the thrilling and a great adrenaline rush, and ever since then I was hooked, and that's why I knew I wanted to be something in the industry where I can kind of share those memories and pass that along to generations to come, and help families get to that point as well. For the longer period of my life, I was in the car world, and I knew I kind of want to do something in the same world, but align it with more of something I really love, and I knew I wanted to do real estate, and then figuring out what kind of real estate I wanted to do. I mean, there's commercial, there's residential, and then you have rural land sale, and I think I knew right away that I aligned best with that because first off, it's what I love to do, and they always say, do what you love and it'll never feel like a job. I think what excites me the most about helping clients kind of grow their real estate portfolio, and hopefully I'll have some people that have never had their hunting property before, never owned farmland, and getting people into that world, and at the same time helping people that are in their world see that when you buy a farm, you're buying an investment, and it's one of the greatest investments, because at the end of the day we're never going to have more land. So to be able to help someone kind of get that investment, and I think personally too, I'm constantly trying to do that for myself. So being able to relate with the client, and I mean, at the end of the day, it's a great investment and ROI on land value, and it's one of those things that it's never going to go away. So when it came to finding a brokerage that aligned with me the most and kind of figuring out what way I wanted to pursue, it really came down to a couple of things. Is one, the team behind the brokerage. I met the Land Guys and the team, and they were super good to me, and I could tell it would be a close relationship right away. And between that, and the biggest thing for me is the marketing they can do. The videos I've seen, and this is before I even was in contact with Land Guys. I saw a couple video listings, and just the way they market the properties, it's top of the line, and it's like no other. And I knew if I wanted to be with the brokerage, I want to be associated with someone at that level of marketing and networkability, and just being with the team that I can talk to any one of these agents or my brokers, and I know I'll get a good answer, and I know they'll really help me stride in my career. Every property tells a story. Let Land Guys tell yours.